Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hollow chisel mortisers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Taytools 468,433 Hollow Chisel Mortise. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional looking to maintain precision in your tools, the Taytools Hollow Chisel Mortise Diamond Sharpening Hone Set is an excellent choice. This set includes 2 diamond abrasive cones, 220 and 600 grit, perfect for chisels up to 1/2 inch. Start sharpening with the 220 grit to remove nicks, then finish with the 600 grit for a polished edge. Users praise its ease of use and effectiveness, even reviving chisels once deemed unusable. For best results, use a low-speed drill and add honing oil. While some mention durability concerns, the overall value remains strong. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hoteche Benchtop Wood Mortiser. The Hoteche Benchtop Wood Mortiser 1/2 HP woodworking mortising machine is an ideal choice for woodworking enthusiasts and hobbyists who require a reliable and versatile tool for their projects. With a robust 120V 3A copper motor delivering 1400 RPM, you'll have the power to tackle both mortising and drilling tasks smoothly. This corded electric machine offers a chisel capacity of 6 to 12 millimeters and a maximum mortising depth of 76 millimeters, ensuring precision. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, while the adjustable chisel-to-table distance provides accurate control. Despite mixed reviews on power for tough woods, it's appreciated for easy setup and operation. At number 3, we have the VEVOR Woodworking Mortise Machine. When seeking a reliable tool for precise woodworking, the VEVOR Woodworking Mortise Machine, with its 1/2 HP motor and 1700 RPM speed, stands out as an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned craftsmen. This machine, model MS3816R, features an all-copper motor that guarantees long, cool running operation. Its versatile cutting capability allows you to create round and square holes, circular grooves, and even perform internal grinding. The extra long steel handle provides added leverage while maintaining wrist comfort. With a movable table and handwheel, you'll find it easy to maneuver your workpieces. Included accessories enhance functionality, making tasks efficient and straightforward. At number 2, we have the JET Benchtop Mortiser. JET's Benchtop Mortiser is perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts seeking a compact yet efficient tool for crafting precise small mortises. It features a 1/2 HP motor, ensuring smooth operation, and a reversible column for accommodating larger stock. You'll appreciate the quick adjust depth stop for consistent mortise depths and the multi-position handle for superior control. While the table may require additional mounting for stability, setup is straightforward with clear instructions. Users love the sharp chisels and smooth plunge action, but suggest quick grip clamps for better hold. Overall, it's a great value for beginners needing reliable performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the uxcell square hole drill bit for woodworking. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking efficiency and precision, the uxcell square hole drill bit for woodworking 2PCS stands out as an excellent choice. With a 1/2 inch slotting flute diameter and 75 millimeters cutting depth, these bits excel in creating clean, accurate mortises. Made from high-carbon steel, they offer durability with a hardness of 48 to 50 HRC. You'll appreciate the 4 cutting corners, designed for quick drilling with minimal resistance. Compatible with mortise and tenon machines, these bits reduce labor intensity and speed up projects. While installation is easy, some users note fitting issues with mortising jigs and inconsistent hole depths. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.